OmoBerry!
Hey, OmoBerry, can you please tell me a very good story?
I'm at your service until I'm blue in the face.
Bonkers Babysitting Storybook Adventure. Today, Chiamaka and Kunle are excited about helping Miss Abena and Barber Wale with their twins, Baby Kit and Baby Kiki. Miss Abena and Barber Wale have a busy day of housework and paperwork ahead, so they've called the OmoBerry crew for some help. Eager Chiamaka and Kunle have arrived first. They'll need all hands on deck to handle this rambunctious duo. Chiamaka and Kunle aren't worried though. How hard can babysitting 2-year-old twins be? Suddenly, Kunle and Chiamaka turn around and notice that Kit is already standing on top of a wobbly block tower. He is dangerously swaying left and right as Chiamaka and Kunle hold their breath. Whoa, Baby Kit, get down from there. It's 8 a.m. Time for breakfast. Kunle struggles to get baby Kiki to eat her food. Kiki tries to sneak away before each bite. Please just swallow this, an exasperated Kunle begs. It's 10 a.m. Time to play. Kit and Kiki have hundreds of toys, but at the moment, they want the same one. Baby Kit snatches a teddy bear from baby Kiki, and this makes Kiki upset. Chiamaka teaches the twins how to take turns and share. It's 12 p.m., and Kunle is already exhausted. Babysitting twins is much harder than he anticipated. Poor Kunle falls asleep on a yoga ball. When he wakes up, his face is covered in stickers. Those sneaky twins! If only they had an off button, Kunle thinks to himself. It's 12:30 p.m. and help has finally arrived. Bisola and Keze have arrived so that Chiamaka and Kunle can take a well-needed break. Perhaps they can help wrangle this dynamic duo. If they can find them. Bisola and Keze walk into the kitchen to help with the after lunchtime cleanup. And a gooey glob of green peas falls from the ceiling, smack onto Keze's face. Keze can't believe his luck, and Bisola can't believe her eyes. Oh my, what a mess! It's 1 p.m. and Bisola is already ready for a nap. She puts herself in the timeout chair and decides to get a little shut-eye. Oh no you don't, screams Baby Kit as he blows a blowhorn and startles Bisola out of a sweet dream. Play with me, he demands. It's almost nap time for the twins, but Barber Wale decides it's a great time for ice cream. The energized twins become supercharged even worse than before. The OmoBerry babysitting helpers are in for a real treat now. It's 1:30 p.m. and nap time is here. Imani and Mensa have arrived to lend a helping hand with the Sugar High gang. Score! They manage to tuck in the tuckered out twins and tiptoe out of the room. Yikes! Once in the hallway, Imani and Mensa nearly hit the ceiling when they jump back with fright at the sight of the wide-awake twins. Weren't you two just snoring 3 seconds ago? Imani quips. After the twins' micro nap, Imani decides that it's time to call in reinforcements. She wakes the exhausted Chiamaka from her slumber. Once the girls return upstairs, they find baby Kit and baby Kiki jumping wildly on their cousin Bisola's bed. Imani and Chiamaka are shocked that the twins still have enough energy to run wild. But when Bisola sees her twin cousins jumping on her bed, she decides that she has had enough. She angrily orders them out of her room. For the first time today, Baby Kit and Baby Kiki pause and think. They both know that they could have been better versions of themselves today. Still angry, Bisola places a "Keep Out" sign on her door. She needs some space to vent and calm down. She's upset that the twins ruined the day for her and her friends. Miss Abena and Barber Wale hear the ruckus and intervene. Baby Kit and Baby Kiki apologize to Bisola and her friends for the chaos they caused. They are eager to try again tomorrow with better behavior. Bisola hugs her aunt and uncle and forgives her twin cousins. She realizes that Baby Kit and Baby Kiki are growing and learning every day, and that they won't always be so rambunctious. Group hug!
That was a great story. Bye, OmoBerry.
Well, bye for now.
Oh, hi friends. Thank you for watching and singing along. Make sure to subscribe so you can be first in line to watch your next episode. You can join our fan club too. To get cool stuff like what I'm wearing, visit our online store at OmoBerry.com. If you want to get your artwork featured in our episodes, tell your grown-up to contact us today. See you soon!